Hey, welcome back. Good to see you again. Okay, look, Samsung's latest One UI release, in particular One UI 5.1, has some hidden features for your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, some of which are quite neat and useful. It's one of these things that may seem unimportant at first, but once you have discovered them and you have utilized all of its capabilities, well, you keep appreciating Samsung's effort, and Samsung is just not good at communicating all of those new features. Not to worry, all you need is your Samsung smartphone today and your Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. I've got both of them here. It will work on both of those watches. Number one, go to your Samsung smartphone, open up settings, go to modes and routines. And if you cannot find it, you can always search for it. There's a search function in the settings field. Just put in modes and routines and it will come up automatically. Once you have it open, then you will see a preset of modes like, well, you can see them right here. They're basically default modes that Samsung will provide you, and you can alter them or add your own mode if it's needed. Okay, let's dive into the exercise mode in order to demonstrate that new feature to you. And I have it set up already, and what I'm going to show you is available for every single mode, whether it is a preset one I've chosen, or one you added, like me here, playing basketball with the kids. Once you go in, you have several options in order to set up the mode. You can do timing, whatever you want, but ignore them for now. Please scroll down to wallpaper. Here, you can change your wallpaper for any particular mode for your smartphone, meaning the wallpaper will change when you choose a particular mode, or it comes on when you've chosen a particular time for that. So far, so good. But what you cannot see right away is when you swipe to the left, voila, you will discover your Galaxy Watch right here, right now. Click on the icon, click on your Galaxy Watch icon, and you will be able to change your watch face for this particular mode, which is pretty cool. So every time your mode comes on, your chosen watch face will be shown on your watch automatically. For example, if you have a watch face that shows something important that is connected to your workout, but only needed when you work out, well, then that's the way to go about it. Once you exit this mode, it will go back to its default settings. But wait, it doesn't stop here. Go to routines. Add one, for example, charging status. Then go to add what this routine will do. Go to Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. You will see this right here. Click on it and you will also be able to change your watch face for any particular routine. So why is this important? Well, if you have a favorite watch face which shows you your charging status at all times, or anything you desire, when you put it on a charger or anything else that you've chosen in this routine, well, voila, it's all done automatically. When you take it off your charger, then it will go back to your default settings. This is only available in One UI 5.1 and for your Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, not below that version, sorry to say. But let me know if you're using this from now on, or have you used this before, and which modes and routines are you using combined with the watch face? I'm interested in that. Let me know. Thank you for watching. Peace out.